Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle number 1 car review channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at the Mitsubishi RVR. This compact SUV has been turning heads with its sleek design and impressive features. The RVR boasts a bold, modern look with its aggressive front grille and dynamic lines. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through city streets, this vehicle is sure to make a statement. The RVR Power is a true beast on any terrain. Powered by a robust engine, the RVR Power delivers exhilarating performance. It effortlessly conquers every curve, providing an unrivaled driving experience. Inside, the RVR Power offers a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. With its spacious cabin and cutting-edge technology, every journey becomes a luxurious escape. Safety is at the forefront, as the RVR Power is equipped with an array of advanced safety technologies. Moving inside, you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin, perfect for both daily commutes and long journeys. With its premium materials and thoughtful design, the RVR offers a luxurious experience for both driver and passengers. The RVR is packed with advanced technology as well. The intuitive infotainment system allows you to easily connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps on the go. With its advanced safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and rear-view camera, you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your loved ones are protected. The RVR comes with a responsive engine and smooth handling, delivering a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the open road or maneuvering through tight corners, this SUV offers the perfect balance of power and agility. In terms of fuel efficiency, the RVR won't disappoint either. With its eco-friendly technologies, you can enjoy long drives with fewer stops at the gas station, saving both time and money. To sum it up, the Mitsubishi RVR is a complete package. From its striking design to its advanced technology and impressive performance, this compact SUV has it all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cars.